Morning students, welcome in computer class. In the first chapter of a computer, in about a computer, we have completed the generation of computer. So today we will start new topics. It is a parts of computer. Parts of computer. So dear students, there is the three parts of computer. The first one is the input devices. Second one is the processing devices. And third one is output devices. It's clear by the name what is the function of the input devices and what is the function of processing devices and what is the function of the output devices. So you can explain the input devices as like by the help of which devices we give the input to the computer is known as the input device, or you can also say by the help of input devices we give some instruction or entering some data into the computer system, that is the input devices. What is the processing devices? By the help of which devices which is used in the process the data or instruction is known as the processing devices, or you can say the by the help of the processing devices computer process on the given instruction or a given data by the users. In the what is the output devices? The output devices produce the meaningful result or result after the processing. Clear? So there is some examples also. So in input devices there is some examples like keyboard, mouse, scanner, MICR, OMR, barcode, reader, etc. So let's see what is the keyboard and the function of these devices separately. So the what is the keyboard? We all know the keyboard is the most common input devices in the computer system which use to give the input to the computers. It's a look like this, and there is the lots of keys is there. alphanumeric key place there, some numeric key is there, some special key, function key, etc. While we are discussing the keyboard separately in any topics, we will discuss the how many types of keys there in the keyboard and all that, and it's connected to the CPU by the wire. Nowadays there is some wireless keyboard also. So basically we need to know the what is the function of the input keyboard. So function of the keyboard is to give the input to the computer. Our next device is the mouse. Mouse is also an input device. It's a look like in this shape. There is the two optical button and one scroll bar in there, and it's also connected to CPU by the wire, and there is also a wireless keyboard. Also there is the two button. This is one is the left button and second one is the right button. It's a left button, and there is the scroll bar which can scroll to move through page up and page down. Next one is the scanner. So if you scanner is the also input device. If you have some paper or some data on the flat paper and as a pictures, and you want to put it into the computer system, we use the scanner. What is the MICR? Just look into your book. MICR stand for stand for magnetic ink character reader. Is it visible? If it is not visible, once again I repeat, MICR stand for magnetic ink character reader. So what is the function and where it is used? MICR is the special ink character reader which is used in the mostly in the bank. In the bank, and it is printed on the checkbook. On the check. It's a special ink, and that device sends that ink and the given in the printed character there is the lots of information related to your account and all that. Next one is the OMR. What is OMR? It's a very common nowadays. The lots of examination. We are taking on the OMR. OMR is the optical mark reader. Optical mark reader. All the examination which we are taking on OMR on the optional based exam, it is the read by the OMR reader. You can say there is the some technique which is sense the mark where the user or examines mark in the OMR sheet. So OMR read that section. ये जो OMR sheet होती है आपकी, उस पे ऐसे ऑप्शन बने होते हैं, इसमें A, B, C जिसको भी हम जिसमें ब्लैक कर देते हैं या जिसको हम फिलअप कर देते हैं उसी को वो सेंस करता है और उसको इनपुट करता है कंप्यूटर के अंदर. नेक्स्ट वन इज द बारकोड रीडर. इट्स ऑल्सो अ वेरी कॉमन डिवाइस. बारकोड, if you go through any shopping complex, any shop which give you the printed invoice, they are using the barcode reader. They read the barcode which is print on the product package, and after reading that barcode by the barcode reader or barcode scanner, all the information related to that product flash on their computer's monitor and process for the bill. You can see, if it is audible on your book, it is the barcode, and also here is the mention a barcode. Barcode look like this. Clear? So this one is the examples of the keyboard, mouse scan. These are the examples of the input devices. Clear, student? Once again I repeat, there is the input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, MICR, OMR, barcode reader. By using these all devices, we put the information or put the data into the computers. Clear? Next one is the processing devices. So, dear students, that's it for today. In the next class, we will see the processing devices. So, just revise in your book the processing devices as well as the input devices, and if you have any doubts or any query related to the input devices or parts of computers, just post your query or doubts in a group. We will discuss in the next class about that topic. Thank you, students.